Outstanding design defines the 2018 Honda Pilot. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 4-liter 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, a blind spot monitoring system, a power rear cargo door, and power front seats. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, rear-mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.